Rick here from entrepreneurlifestyle.co.
Walk through life. Every day is a new beginning. Shine your light. It's a day and the world is waiting. Move along to the song, singing in your soul. Feel the beat, clap your hands, let's take control. All you need, all you want, are you ready to find your way?
Now, the question I want to ask is, are you set for life? Now, it's one of those sayings that we've all heard, set for life. Now, here in Australia, and I know it's the same in the UK, we have a lottery ticket. Well, it's actually a scratchy that's called Set for Life. And if you scratch 3 Set for Life symbols in the same game, you get $20,000 paid into your bank account every month for the next 20 years. Now, the way that they advertise it is by pulling on your hamstring, saying like, what would you do if you wake up in the morning and you had $20,000 paid into your bank account, and you knew that next month you'd have $20,000 paid into your bank account, and so on for the next 20 years. Now, regardless if you go to work or whatever it is you do to earn an income, that money is going to come into your bank account every month. For most people, that's a what if moment. What would you do? What would you become? Would you buy a new house, or treat all your family to a luxury holiday, or buy a new car, or help charities, or look at ways to help others? Heaps of things. And I think that really pulls at the heartstrings, and we're no different. You know, both Alice and I have asked ourselves, what would we do if money wasn't a problem? And that's one of the things that drives us in our business. And even now, we still ask ourselves that question. We're always trying to grow and push ourselves. Now, I got myself thinking about that commercial a little bit more. And at the end of the day, it's still a lottery. It's still a game of chance. And I thought that most people believe that the lottery is their only chance of financial independence. Actually, in the US, and this is from memory, so I think it's 2/3 of the Americans believe that their only chance of finding financial security is through the lottery, or winning the lottery. Now, and that's probably no different from Australia or the UK or wherever. So it's pretty scary when you think that 2/3 of the people in our community believe that the only way that they're going to make money is by winning the lottery. Now I like numbers, and I've got a few numbers here that I built up a while ago, and there's no way I can commit them to memory, so they're in my trusty little book here. So I done this a while ago for something else, and I don't know how they work out these odds, but anyway, here we go, let's go. Now, do you know that the chances of winning the lottery are 175 million to 1? Now that's the jackpot, that's the big one. Now let's get this into perspective. I've got some funny facts here as well. Now, if you want to become a movie star, your chances are 1.5 million to 1. And getting a royal flush on your very first hand at a poker game is 649,740 to 1. Now there's a number. And what's the next one? Oh yeah, and dating a supermodel. Well, don't we all? That's 88,000 to 1. So as you can see, no, last one, definitely last one. The scientists believe, or they've calculated, that there is just a 300 to 1 chance that an asteroid will strike Earth on April the 13th, 2029. Now that's 300 to 1 odds that an asteroid will strike Australia. Will strike the world. Why do you think that most people put a lot of their financial people and their planning into winning the lottery when you compare the 175 million to 1, as the numbers say, to 300 to 1 that an asteroid is going to hit Earth? Now, most people would think that it's crazy that an asteroid is going to hit us, versus most people believe that they've got a chance of winning the lottery. It's just, well, I don't know, it's just numbers. Now, you can believe them or you can't believe them, whatever. Now, that's why we choose to work hard and build our business so that we can take control of our financial future ourselves. Now, the reason why I'm sharing this with you today is because I believe that you think the same. Well, Otherwise, you would never came across entrepreneurlifestyle.co, and you probably wouldn't open up any of our emails if you don't think there's something of value that we can give you. Now, so what I want to pass to you today is, I just want you to think about the future. Now, think about the opportunities that are there online that just weren't there or never even existed 10 to 15 years ago. Now, there are new opportunities because it's a new industry. Now, if you could have gotten into the beginning of the industrial age and invested in, I don't know, let's say, let's say the first car. Now, if you had been able to invest in with Henry Ford and be part of the car growth industry, now most people at that time would have said to you, you've got rocks in your head, you're wasting your time and your money. Now, there are perfectly good horses and carriages here. Why would you want a thing that, well, I don't know, that makes noise and looks weird? So to put it into perspective, with the internet and with the ability to be online and with e-commerce, that there's an abundance of opportunities out there that we just haven't explored yet. So the reasons that we're passionate about them is because we want to connect what you're passionate about, what drives you, what do you love doing, and we want to connect that to what you love doing to the opportunities that exist online. And the way that we are able to do that is through an education system. Now, we've partnered up with the SFM business because we believe that their education system and their DA education system is second to none. Now, it's going to be able to take a lot of people like we were when we started for the very first time. Right? We knew nothing about how to build a website, how to find customers, how to drive traffic, or how to build a market, or what was a sales funnel. Like, we didn't even know what a sales funnel was. So if you've got a desire to step away from the traditional economy and you're looking for steps that can take your passion and your brand and how to build up your brand, how to make it attractive, and how to understand it if it's something that other people want, we believe strongly that this education system will do that. Now, and you don't have to do that straight away. You can build up your business part-time, and well, that's what we did. We built it in our part-time hours until we were able to step away, and now being able to do it full-time has been our goal and our drive. But for you, it might not be. You might always want to have the balance between having a job and building a business online. But if you want, you can also make it 100% full-time. So it's about learning what you need to do. If you've got something that you're passionate about, or you're looking for some way to monetize that, and you want to know how to do that on the online economy, that's the digital economy, then this is absolutely something that can help you. This message is just to get across that there's other options. We don't have to settle for a job. But we are sort of typically raised in an environment that is, we go to school, we get an education, we go to college or university, we get a degree, and we come out to the workforce where we're told that the only option for us is to work for someone else for the next 45 to 50 years, and then after that be able to retire and live your life if you've been financially smart. And most people, as we've said, believe that the lottery is going to take care of them at the end, or it's their only chance that they have. So I really want to pull you away from that. I want to grab you by the shoulders and give you a shake. And I mean that in a good way. It's a shake to make you go, no, I don't have to accept that. If you don't want to accept that, you don't have to. So there's a digital economy where there's growth, and you can tap into that. Now, you won't be able to retire straight away, but you'll be able to build up a business that I guarantee you that you will build a business if you have the right drive and the right passion. And that will develop into an income where you'll then have some choices. And really, for most people, $8,000 a month is a deal breaker. Or $10,000 a month. Now that's six-figure income. That will really take care of a lot of problems, a lot of bills. And you can go on to do much more than that. There's no limit really. There's no ceiling anymore to your income. Now, if you think it's possible, I believe it's possible that everybody watching can go and build a successful business online with something that they're passionate about. I absolutely believe that. Oh, all right now. Now, if any of this has been of any interest to you, then you'll find a link on this page where you can go through, and that will take you to the application process. Now, that application process is there to give you 30 days to have a look. It's $29.95, and there's a 100% money back guarantee on that 30-day period. Now, that's perfect because it's no risk to you. You can go and have a look around the digital business system, see what the training modules are. You can also see what the student's training program is, and you can have a look to see if that makes sense to you, and that if it's something that you want to do, or there's something that you can create from that. Now, there's also a possibility that there's an income stream in here where you can start making money by just setting up a few things. So have a look at the application and see if it's right for you, and I hope this video was of value. So take control of your life, be in control, build a legacy to be proud of. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.